so I'm just gonna go ahead and fly this FPV drone in this harsh condition, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out with the controller, with this motion controller. I could have used the joystick controller, but I'd rather just use this. So we're gonna go ahead and fly this right here, and we're gonna take a video of the Jack's Beach before it's gonna get torn apart in a hurricane wind. Now it's gonna get recorded. Interesting wind, guys. This is what to expect. Pause it for a minute. This thing is blowing. And we're gonna go for a flight. And we just cover this thing with the lane breeze. I'm in normal mode right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my goggles on because I can't really see what's going on because I'm in a motion controller. Woohoo! Pause it here.
You can see here the stabilization on the camera. On your left recording, you can see this, the goggles, and of course the big screen is the DJI FPV drone camera. Hopefully DJI should throw in a firmware update for the horizon tilt lock, same that has the feature of the Avata drone, and that's about it. But everything else is, let's go ahead and fly this thing and have a successful flight. We're turning it back, so I have to fight against the wind. So I have to use my battery. Every percentage here in this flight is I have to watch closely. And I've been flying DJI drones here, especially in hurricane winds. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the link down so you can watch all my DJI drone experience flying in hurricane wind.
Now I have to come back in, I would say 60-something% battery. The reason why I'm saying that because it's a high wind right now. You can see here, I'll take a video of it. And, yeah, it's crazy. There's people sitting there. Wow. See here, so I'm gonna go ahead and come back. that. It's crazy. It's returning back to home right now. Woohoo! It's crazy. Yeah, so rather be safe than sorry. Oh, he doesn't want to return. See that? So I gotta go ahead and go this way. Woo! So that's the reason why you want to come home early. Because of that reason. Woohoo! Long range flight. Did it! Wow, that was a good flight.